Hello dear followers, welcome to my channel. In the 14th installment of the Psychology of Candlesticks video series, I'm here to discuss reverse momentum trends and trading against the direction of momentum trends with you. Let's move on to today's video. Well, as I explained to you before, and if you have seen the video of the part related to momentum trends, I have already talked to you in detail about momentum trends, about the importance of these trends, how to follow the path of these trends, and how we can profit in the market by identifying them correctly. But in today's video, I want to talk about the issue that if we have a momentum trend and this momentum trend hit a level and after that the trend reversal happened, after seeing the reversal candle or after the momentum trend hit the level, how can we trade in the opposite direction by following past candlesticks and mimicking their behavior? We want to know how the candles will behave after a momentum trend reaches an important level and how we can use momentum in this situation. Okay, before starting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I want to talk to you about reverse momentum. What is a reverse momentum trend? Suppose we have a level. We have an important level and a momentum trend has a start from that level. Do you remember that I said before that if we have 3 candles of the same color in a row, it means that our momentum trend has a start. Suppose this momentum trend, it continues on its path until it hits an important level, an SNR, a few level or a round number. That is, it can be a Fibonacci level, EMA level, a round number, Bollinger Bands, and any powerful level that our momentum trend has reached and received pressure and rejection. It will probably form a red candle for us after the candle closes on the level. Many new traders, after seeing this red candle, enter the sell or lower trade. This is completely wrong because here 2 things happen. First, a green candle is probably formed and the level will be broken. The second situation is that it may form a red candlestick. The trend will correct from here and form a downward trend. Okay? So, we have to wait until the next candle is formed. Okay? If after the first red candle, the next bearish candle is formed and creates a new low for us, that is, a new low compared to the previous candle and the last candle of the momentum trend. This candle and this candle made a new low for us. We can enter the sell trade in the next candle. And this new momentum trend, which is formed in the opposite direction of the previous trend, can continue on its way until the next important level. This was the level that our momentum started from that, and it was level that our momentum ended. That is the beginning and end levels of the momentum trend. When the momentum trend returns to the initial level, there are two situations. Either it breaks the level and continues on its path, or since we have a powerful and important level, because trend's momentum reached this level, which means this level is an important level. Okay, important level for us. Most likely, a fake breakout will happen and the next candle will return to the level. Therefore, this momentum trend is called reverse momentum trend. That is contrary to the direction of the previous trend. This condition also exists from the reverse trend of bullish momentum. Suppose we have a level. A momentum trend starts from the level. It can even consist of only 3 candles. After our momentum trend reaches an important level, which again, these levels can be Fibonacci levels, Bollinger Band levels, EMA, and other things I said before. If you remember, this mode is different from this mode. As you can see, it has created an bullish engulfing pattern for us. But since, despite the formation of a green candlestick, there is a possibility of a red candle formation. Due to the existence of this strong momentum trend, we will wait until the next candle is formed and it forms a new high compared to the previous 2 candles for us. Okay? A new high compared to the previous candle and the last candle of the momentum trend. When it forms new high, we can enter higher trade by continue the trend. This momentum trend is likely to continue its path to return to the starting level of the previous momentum. Now, if our last candle is closed on the level, there is still a possibility of repeating this situation. This usually happens in the side and sinus trends when the candles move between to powerful levels. That is, from here again there is a possibility of forming a normal downward trend or momentum. But here we could get confirmation using the confirmations that I explained in the video about the engulfing pattern and trade on this candle. Okay? Don't forget an important point. In reverse momentum trends, like here, if the dimensions of the candles are the right size and have pressure and shadow, that is, weak candles such as a spinning top and doji are not formed in the middle of the trend, we do not care about the levels that exist between the trends. That is, don't pay attention to these levels that may be formed in the middle of the trend. But, for example, after the formation of this candle, it may form a spinning top candle for us. So, we probably have a level, a powerful level, and our reverse momentum trend may return upwards from this place. Usually, you have seen this situation many times in healthy upward and downward trends. But you have to remember one thing, and that is, reverse momentum trends are not always seen so beautifully and so simply. Suppose we have a bullish momentum trend again. A red candle is formed. The next candle is also formed, but it does not create a new low for us. And again, a green candle. Again, a green candle. And finally, a candle which can be a level break it and make a new low for us. Then we can enter the lower trade. This means that dozens of candles may be formed in this range in different ways and continue on its way after crossing the level and forming a new low. Okay? Again, the candles continue on their path, and we can go with the momentum, and if the initial level of the momentum is broken, we can enter the lower trade after receiving the confirmation. Okay? Also, contrary to the direction of the figure on the left, pay attention that after seeing the green candlestick, the trend does not return and the reverse momentum trend is not formed. It may create several candles for us in a side trend, and after crossing the created level and forming a new high, we can enter the higher trade and join the buyers until the next important level. Well, now let's go to the chart together so that I can show you examples of reverse momentum trends. Remember that in the psychology of candles, it does not make any difference what broker you are working in, whether you're in the Quotex chart, whether you're in the PocketOption, or whatever any binary broker has these rules. Look at this bearish momentum trend. Our momentum trend starts from here. It reached this level. It formed a bullish engulfing pattern. By receiving confirmation after this new high or this new high, we could enter a higher trade here. You can see that after crossing the previous momentum starting level, the candles have continued on their path. This is another example. Look. Our momentum trend has started. Here, even after the candles passed the level, because this level had power, a fake breakout happened. Again, a red candle, a green candle, and after this red candle crossed our level, and here it formed a new low, we could enter a lower trade on the next candles. Sometimes these momentum trends can be very small. Look at this area, the momentum trend, the trend start level, the trend end. A new low and a sell trade. Again, on this side, a new high and buy or higher trade. Okay? Well, look at this example. It's a very good example for the topic I explained earlier. See this momentum trend? It start from here, it reached this level, the candle formed a new high, and we could enter a higher trade on this candle. But after this candle, a spinning top candle has been formed, which means we probably have an important level here. And we should be careful about it. That's why the next candle is colored red. There are many examples of reverse momentum trend in the chart. As many as the momentum trend is formed, it can copy the same trend in the opposite direction and move in the opposite direction. You can have successful trades by paying attention to the mentioned points. But don't forget that there is no pattern and behavior in the market and chart that is 100%, and it will not always be correct. But if you are careful, practice and pay attention to the points I said, You can get good results using momentum trends and reverse momentum trends. Let me show you another example. You can see here now, a side range was created. After the formation of this candle and new low, we could enter the lower trade here. Okay? Okay, dear ones, I will definitely trade in live trading videos with candlestick psychology tips using reverse momentum trends so that the tips of this video will be clear for you. Don't forget to watch the candlestick psychology videos, note the important points, and be sure to practice on the demo account. Do not trade in the real environment until you have mastered the point I taught. I want you to subscribe to the channel again. If you like the video, like it and send it to your friends. Remember that working in financial markets, especially binary options, is a very difficult task and requires time, effort, follow-up, training and practice. My friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.